headlines. Manipur registers one fresh COVID-19 case, Delhi surges to 60. Centre flags 145 districts as potential COVID-19 hotspots. And with highest single-day spike of 7,964 cases, India's COVID-19 tally crosses 1.73 lakh. A very good afternoon. Welcome to Times of Manipur Television News today at 1 p.m. I'm Loving Rimai with the news in detail. COVID-19 case today. A 19-year-old Gujarat returnee tested positive last night at the Virus Research and Diagnostic Laboratory VRDL RIMS Imphal, according to Dr. Shashi Kumar Mangang, Additional Director and Spokesperson of Department Manipur. The female patient has been admitted to the COVID care facility at RIMS. She hails from Kangla Tongbe. Now the state's COVID-19 total tally has surged to 60. The number of active cases now stands at 53 after 7 have been recovered and discharged from different hospitals. The number of coronavirus cases rose to 1,507 in Assam till yesterday after 33 more people tested positive for the disease, State Health and Family Welfare Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said. As per a media report, Assam on Friday registered a total of 177 cases, the highest single-day spike. Of the 33 new cases, 11 each are from Golaghat and Biswanath Chariali districts, 9 from Udugari district and 2 from Darang district. Assam had reported 97 cases on May 28, 92 cases on May 27, 116 on May 26, 147 on May 25, and 46 on May 24 last. Meanwhile, the COVID-19 tally of Nagaland rose to 36 after 11 persons tested positive for coronavirus. Of these 11 patients, 9 are males and 2 are females, and they had recently returned from Chennai. 8 of the 11 patients are in Dimapur and 3 are in Kohima. The central government has identified 145 new districts that have reported COVID-19 infections over the past 3 weeks and warned that they could emerge as epicenters of the disease if effective containment measures are not undertaken. In a presentation to representatives of state on Thursday, Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba highlighted that Eastern India was likely to be the next big COVID-19 hotspot with the return of migrant workers from the worst-hit states. The Cabinet Secretary said 12 states, including Bihar, West Bengal and Odisha and Orissa in eastern India, which had not reported many cases earlier, have witnessed rapid infection spread in the 3 weeks until May 25. Other states such as Tripura and Manipur too have reported an increase in COVID-19 cases after having infections in single digits earlier. India today reported 7,964 cases of the coronavirus disease and 265 deaths in the last 24 hours, in another highest single-day spike, taking the tally to 173,763, Union Health Ministry data showed. This is the second day in a row that India has witnessed a daily rise of more than 7,000 COVID-19 cases. The number of people who have recovered from COVID-19 also went up as 82,369 patients were discharged from hospitals across the country, according to the Health Ministry's dashboard at 8 a.m. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Sangai Services Private Limited, Yelhomida Thabak Pirasi, Thabak the Chilhau Thiroisi. Houzik lockdown namaram oiraga, Sangai Services Private Limited ki Anova service kara hapchinjare. Service singadudi, medicine home delivery, home blood sample collection, sanitization services, face masks, gloves, hand sanitizer, home delivery service, stay home, stay safe. Order to Binabagidama, contact Tobirau 70050717707 Natraga 70005112624. Langol View Charitable Clinic Haina Khangnaram Mafamasi, Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited Haina Khangnarakani. Mafamasida, medicine, gynecology, surgery, orthopedic, ENT amadi pediatrics ka mari lainaba analying service singi khudong chawal lobiyo. Akupa marol gidama contact tobiyo Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited, Rims Southgate near Kombinay Kaithel. Hospital helpline number 8258967890.
Welcome back after the break. A Shramik special train ferrying 209 Manipuris from Rajasthan's capital Jaipur arrived at the Juribam railway station at around 3:35 a.m. today. According to our Juribam correspondent, the passengers were 106 females and 103 males. Later, the returnees were made to undergo mandatory virus screening before boarding buses that took them to their respective home districts. In view of the arrival of a special train at the Juribam railway station, curfew was imposed from 6 a.m. till 10 a.m. today in the district. Bharatiya Janata Party BJP National President Jagat Prakash Nadda today tweeted on the occasion of 1 year of Modi 2 government and lauded Prime Minister Narendra Modi's governance. This year of Modi Ji's government is full of many achievements, Nadda tweeted, adding that under Prime Minister Modi's governance, the country has been steered into a new direction as per a media report. With visionary policies, devotion and strengthening the spirit of Team India, respected Modi ji gave a new direction to the democracy of the country. The spirit of public interest, the longing for the interests of the country and the will to improve the life of the person standing at the end is seen in every decision of the government, his tweet read. Nadda congratulated Prime Minister Modi on the completion of the historic and unprecedented one-year term of his government and wished him on behalf of thousands of BJP workers all across the country. Functionaries of the United People's Administrative Council, UPACO, Manipur, led by its General Secretary, Y. Basanta, in collaboration with Chothe Kuno Village Authority, today distributed food items to the residents of Chothe Kuno under Chandel District. The Rongmei Naga Youth Organization Manipur RNYOM Secretary Dijin Lung Gangmei, Longmai Luangrian President Mary Lung Richard Kamei, and leaders of Rongmei Students Organization Manipur RSOM Nonei organized an awareness program on COVID-19 do's and don'ts under the guideline of National Health Mission Manipur at 6 community quarantine centers in Nonei district. The team also distributed pamphlets and essential commodities to the quarantine centers. With a mission to keep COVID-19 pandemic at bay, paralegal volunteers of Legal Aid Clinic Champanagar, Juribam distributed homemade masks to vegetable vendors and residents. It was an initiative of the District Legal Services Authority, Juribam, backed by Manipur State Legal Services Authority. People's Resource Development Association, Bishnupur, PRDA, under EED project, distributed face masks and hand sanitizers to the households of Wangu Terakong yesterday. EED project coordinator S. Samungo, accountant L. Lokendro, and staff of PRDA distributed the items by maintaining social distance. 2 unidentified militants were killed in an encounter with the security forces in Kulgam district of Jammu and Kashmir today. According to a media report, police informed that a cordon and search operation was launched following information about the presence of militants in Wanpora area of the South Kashmir district, during which the militants fired upon the forces, following which security forces who retaliated. 2 militants were killed in the gunfight. Search operation is underway in the area and further details are awaited. Before we end the bulletin, let's go through some of the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Lockdown 5 guidelines. What is likely to open remain closed. Amit Shah meets Prime Minister Modi. Briefs on states' suggestions on lockdown. 4 more tests positive, 2 discharged. India surpasses China toll. Awangbo Nyumai takes oath as minister. The People's Chronicle. After 14-day institutional quarantine, troubles await many inmates in Ukhrul. 9 Julaland residents quarantined, area sealed. NPF's Awangbo Nyumai sworn in as minister. Will accept any portfolio dispense duties for Manipur, says Awangbo. 4 more returnees test positive, 3 discharged. DCs asked to release COVID-19 funds. Imphal Free Press. NPF MLA Awangbo Nyumai sworn in as cabinet minister. Indian Journalists Union concerned over media downsizing closure. 4 more tests positive, 2 recover. MAG returnees feel at home at quarantine centers. Manipur Mail. Awangbo sworn in as minister. 59 COVID-19 cases, lifting of PDS items. Meghalaya, 6 more returnees test positive. Reopening of private non-profit offices in Meghalaya.
The top news headlines once again. Manipur registers 1 fresh COVID-19 case, Delhi surges to 60. Centre flags 145 districts as potential COVID-19 hotspots. And with highest single-day spike of 7,964 cases, India's COVID-19 tally crosses 1.73 lakh. That is all for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.